The Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, is a federal agency in the United States dedicated to ensuring safe and healthy working conditions for employees. Established under the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 1970, OSHA sets and enforces standards, provides training, outreach, education, and assistance to employers and workers. Below is an overview of key aspects of OSHA regulations. The primary goal of OSHA regulations is to prevent workplace injuries, illnesses, and fatalities. It covers most private sector employers and their workers, as well as some public sector employers and workers in the U.S. OSHA focuses on general industry, construction, maritime, agriculture, and other high-risk sectors. OSHA regulations are divided into general industry standards and specific industry standards, such as construction and maritime. Some of the most important regulations include the Hazard Communication Standard, which requires employers to inform workers about hazardous chemicals in the workplace through labeling, safety data sheets, and training. Personal protective equipment mandates the use of PPE, such as helmets, gloves, and goggles, to protect workers from hazards. Fall protection requires employers to provide fall protection systems for workers at heights of 6 feet or more in construction and general industry. Health standards include respiratory protection, which requires employers to implement respiratory protection programs when workers are exposed to harmful airborne contaminants, and bloodborne pathogens, which protect workers from exposure to bloodborne diseases like HIV and hepatitis B through proper handling and disposal of sharps and bodily fluids. Construction-specific standards set requirements for safe use of scaffolding, ladders, and stairways on construction sites, and protect workers from cave-ins and other hazards associated with trenching and excavation work. Electrical safety includes lockout/tagout, which ensures machines are properly shut off and not able to be started up again during maintenance or servicing, and provides guidelines for safely working with electrical equipment and wiring. Under OSHA regulations, employers are required to provide a workplace free from recognized hazards that could cause harm or death, comply with all applicable OSHA standards, train employees on safety practices and hazards specific to their jobs, keep records of work-related injuries and illnesses, post the OSHA, It's the Law poster in a visible location to inform workers of their rights, and report severe incidents to OSHA within specific timeframes. OSHA ensures that workers have the right to a safe workplace, the right to training on hazards and safety procedures, the right to access injury and illness records, and the right to protection from retaliation for reporting safety concerns or exercising their rights under OSHA. OSHA conducts inspections to ensure compliance with its regulations. Violations can result in citations, fines ranging from $15,625 per serious violation to $156,259 per willful or repeated violation, and in severe cases, criminal charges may be filed in cases of willful violations resulting in worker fatalities. OSHA tailors its regulations to address unique risks in different industries, emphasizing fall protection, scaffolding safety, and electrical hazards in construction, bloodborne pathogens and ergonomic hazards in healthcare, machine guarding and chemical exposure in manufacturing, and tractor safety and pesticide exposure in agriculture. OSHA frequently updates its regulations to reflect new risks and technologies. Recent initiatives include efforts to protect workers from heat-related illnesses, temporary standards for protecting workers during the COVID-19 pandemic, and an increasing focus on reducing musculoskeletal disorders and addressing workplace stress. To comply with OSHA regulations, employers should conduct regular workplace hazard assessments, develop and implement safety programs tailored to their industry, train employees on safety protocols and emergency procedures, and stay updated on changes to OSHA standards and guidance. OSHA regulations play a critical role in safeguarding workers' health and safety across various industries. By adhering to these standards, employers can reduce workplace accidents, improve productivity, and foster a culture of safety. For workers, understanding their rights under OSHA empowers them to advocate for safer working conditions. For more detailed information, visit the official OSHA website.